What's up, y'all? It's Mecia Nicole, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is just going to be a quick little tutorial showing you all how I achieved my first retwist on my DIY micro locks. If you're interested in knowing how I did my retwist on my own, keep on watching, and thank y'all for tuning in. The product I'm using today is the Tropical Roots Moisturizing Sculpting Foam by Bronner Brothers. I chose to use this product because it is lightweight and has a great hold, and it also doesn't flake. I attempted to use the Cantu Twisting Lock Gel, however, it just really wasn't holding in my hair, so I decided to give this product a chance instead. So, before I retwist each lock, I untwist the top of them to see in which direction I need to twist my hair so it does not unravel. When I was installing my locks, I tried to install all of them going clockwise. However, it really didn't turn out that way. My arms were hurting so bad, and I was really just getting lazy to the point where I just started twisting my hair out of comfortability, so some of them got twisted counterclockwise. And I kind of regret this now, because it really just made my retwist process kind of tedious. Alright, now let's get into this retwist. It's really a simple process. Roll my hair down the shaft until the root is tight. After my lock is tight enough, I just take a clamp and I pin my hair down. Then I just continuously repeat that process. It's pretty simple. That's just something that I tend to do. I just really try to get as many locks as I can as possible on one clip. Since I have over 250 micro locks, I didn't have the patience to retwist my whole head in one day. So what I retwisted was the front half first, and I wore it in a ponytail the next day at work. And when I got off, I finished retwisting the other half. I have some pictures showing the rest of my head after retwisting at the end of the video. Okay, scalp, yes ma'am. Come through.